Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, August 25th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar yen, and I'm on the daily time frame. So on the US dollar yen, we had that big push down on Friday. Now, even though that was a big move, we are definitely still in a very tight range on the daily time frame. My same analysis applies. If this right here is the end of a correction, which it looks like it is, then it needs to go down and take out this low. This is the break of structure that is going to prove to me that we're back in a downtrend all the way up on the weekly and maybe even monthly time frame, which we obviously do not have yet. And we are obviously still in a very tight range. So technically, I probably would primarily be on the short side, but if you're trading below the 1 hour time frame, this move up looks very impulsive, making me think that this move down is actually going to be a correction to that move up, like either a wave B or wave 2. The move up is either an A or a 1. So if you do see a nice Fibonacci bounce, nice engulfing move to the upside, you could go long, and then if it makes a wave C, it would do this, break structure down at a Fibonacci retracement of this whole move down. If it's a wave 3, it will not break structure at a Fibonacci level, but instead it will just keep on making higher highs, higher lows for a wave 3. So probably the best thing for us to do is if you do get long, then you would hopefully be trying to learn and earn by watching your structure and Fibonacci levels, whether you're looking at a wave 3 or a wave C. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.